Park Avenue compound. Both of these beautiful properties are available as a compound. Situated in the heart of Coconut Grove, the property features two separate luxury homes designed by renowned architect Jorge L. Hernandez. An oasis on a nearly-acre property behind a gated private lane offers privacy and convenience. One home boasts 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms, while the second offers 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms. Both have stunning living spaces and outdoor amenities, including a summer kitchen, lap pool, and living areas. The property has charming garden pergolas, porches, and a historic Carl stone wall, paying homage to a classic Coconut Grove style. Enjoy conveniently walking to Miami's finest private schools, restaurants, shopping, and entertainment in downtown Coconut Grove. This is a perfect opportunity for luxury living in one of Miami's most coveted neighborhoods.